Hey there, this is Neil Napier here and welcome to Let Mailbox 2.0, which is one half of MailEngageX. Now, Let Mailbox 2.0 helps you personalize your emails, even to the point where you can personalize the videos inside the emails that you send, which you do send them as GIFs because that's how videos are supported inside of emails. But let me give you a step-by-step walkthrough of how easy it is to set this up and how quickly you can get up and running with this. Just so you know, before we really get into it, there are quite a few different elements available that you can create, and you can do so by creating new element. So you have the possibility to add autoplay videos, self-interacting elements, conversion elements, engaging growth elements, as well as messenger widgets, which is new. So you can have personalized autoplay videos and autoplay videos with mute button. You can have polls inside your emails, feedbacks, polls like this as well, Q&A, group event polls, conversion elements as well, and some growth elements like social media, share buttons, and self-destructing messages too, which is pretty awesome if you want to make sure that your audience always open your email, as well as YouTube and Vimeo embed, Google Map embed, image embed, and finally personalize autoplay videos and images within Messenger too. So this is really, really powerful. I think we didn't even talk about the Messenger bit on the sales page. So you're actually getting a really good deal if you do jump in to the MailEngageX launch. Now let's go ahead and look at personalized autoplay video, for example. So if I go pick that, I can name my campaign. So let's say I'll call this MailEngageX demo, and I'm going to pick a category here. I'm going to say promotions, and then I could either upload a video or I could choose one from the library. Let me see if there's one available in the library, and I can choose that. So let's go ahead and pick that one. And then I can enable personalized text, which is really, really powerful, because based on the autoresponder that we're using, I can make sure that the video gets personalized like this. So I could say, for example, right? So first name, this is for you. And when they see the video embedded inside the email, this is what it's going to look like. And I'll give you a full demo of this as well. You can enable the play button, as well as, let's say I'll go for this one. And you can also set redirect URL. So if they click on this, where do they go? So let's say in this case, they go to sales.mailengagex.com. That's where they're going to go. And then finally click on save. Oh, let's put the position as well. Let's say I want it to be in the center. Okay. Oh, actually, this is overlapping, so let's put it on top right and say save. And you're done, right? So once the video element is done processing, this one takes a few seconds, other ones are instant, then we will be able to grab a code and then paste it inside our autoresponder. So if you click here, you can see live review as well, but let's go ahead and just copy the autoresponder code. So there, copy the autoresponder code. I will click on this and I'll pick one of the multiple different autoresponders supported within MailEngageX, within Let Mailbox 2.0. So in this case, I'm going to demo this with Kyvio for you. I'm going to click on that, and as you can see, the code automatically gets copied over. Let me paste it in Notepad so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so code looks a little bit like this, but don't worry about that. If it doesn't make any sense to you right now, you don't need to think about that at all. So I'm going to go back into this broadcast that I was creating that I'm going to send in a bit, and I'm going to, this is text mode, right? This is what the email looks like right now. I'm going to go into source, and I'm going to paste, let's say, this code right over here. Okay, when done, you can see this is what it now looks like. So when I send out the email, the video will be embedded in there, as well as the first name and the text after this as well. So this is the first name personalization within Kyvio. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to set up a new email so that I can remove all these lists, because yeah, we don't need them. Okay, let me just set up a new email quickly. Okay, so here we go. This is a new email, and as you can see, this is the video embedded inside of the email. So I'm just going to send it out right now, and I'll go and check my email in a few seconds after it arrives. Okay, so that's queued up, and we'll go back and look at the rest of the Let Mailbox 2.0 demo. So when you're creating new elements, you have multiple new elements as I showed you. You also can get feedback right within the email, like, hey, did you like this product that I recommended? Or you can ask them poll, like, are you looking to lose weight right now? Yes or no. Or you can also get some information from them. You can say, hey, just give me some quick feedback, written feedback within this email. Or you can do some group event poll as well. Then I really like the timers, because if you have timers in place, you can then push scarcity and you can get more sales with that as well. Now, use this sparingly, don't use it all the time, but if you use that, that's awesome as well. Now, just like you can personalize videos, you can also personalize images. So you can, for example, take the subscriber name from that particular campaign, and you can personalize the images that you are sending out as well. Then, of course, you've got the self-destructing messages, which I really like, because that actually allows you to show a message and then let it expire after a certain time. So lots of cool features, all within your Let Mailbox account. Now, just FYI, once you create an element, you can't edit it. You can only delete it, because we don't allow editing, because the email has already gone out. And if you edit something later on, it could, read completely differently, because it lives on our server in real time. So this is Let Mailbox X. Let's go back and look. Let Mailbox, let's go back and look at exactly what our email now looks like. All right, so here's the email that I sent to myself earlier, and as you can see, the video is embedded and it's personalized with my name inside the email. I didn't write Neil inside the video as you saw. I simply sent it out and it picked up the name from the autoresponder, Neil Napier, and it automatically embedded it over here. So this is how you can use Let Mailbox X, which is again part of MailEngageX, or rather Let Mailbox, part of MailEngageX, to personalize videos, images, and do a lot of other things as well. This is Neil Napier along with Vipul. I look forward to helping you grow your email marketing with MailEngageX.